Look at this screen. This screen is awesome.
This is the kitchen.
And have the lights and the windows open. Only I wish they would do is one thing is put directions how to put the poles to the right sides so one side is not longer than the other. But otherwise, the quality of the screen is good.
Beautiful.
It's a silver gray and it has a black back
Let me turn on my
for it,
flashlight so you can see a little
which
bit
is
better.
good. And I'm running on a
Beautiful
X Gimme projector.
Alright, my flashlight.
And I tell you what,
can see a little bit better.
it's awesome. It's clear at night and it's bright. The colors are vibrant. If anybody really wants one, on Amazon is very great. It's a good price.
Right there, they're pocket.
You got 120 inch. You got 100 inch,
Look at the fireplace here.
which is good. I got the 120 inch screen.
That's
And I got
pretty
3L
nice.
brackets from Home Depot.
Little stove right here.
Look at the quality of the picture that is.
We are
So
in the
awesome.
second today.